If you want a bigger engine, his Kia K5 GT is the only model with a 2.5-liter turbocharged option. The Kia K5 GT's engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder with an output of 290 horsepower. Torque also reaches 311 pound-feet, pushing the compact sedan to new heights. The K5 GT's turbo engine is mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission with steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters. Although this version is only available in FWD format, the powertrain comes with a sport suspension for a more precise driving experience.